This is a rapid summary of High Output Management by Andy Grove. There are three main points to this book. First, a manager's output is the output of their team, and you must treat management like a production system. Second, to maximize your team's output, you must focus on high-leverage activities. Third, you can systematically improve your team's performance by mastering key tools like one-on-one meetings and performance reviews. Let's explore these points in detail. The first key idea is that management is a results-oriented profession, not an abstract art. Andy Grove, the legendary CEO of Intel, argues that a manager's output is not their individual work, but the output of their team plus the output of the teams they influence. Your primary job is to multiply the effectiveness of your people. To do this, you must think like an engineer running a production line. You need to identify bottlenecks, measure key indicators, and constantly look for ways to improve the quality and quantity of your team's output. For example, if your team is responsible for producing marketing reports, your success isn't measured by the one report you write yourself, but by the total number of high-quality, on-time reports your entire team delivers. The second point is about managerial leverage. Since your time is limited, you must focus on activities that produce the greatest result for the time invested. This is high leverage. An activity with high leverage might be training a new employee on a crucial skill. You invest a few hours, but that person becomes more effective for years to come. Other high-leverage activities include setting clear direction, effective delegation, and conducting impactful performance reviews. Conversely, low-leverage activities include micromanaging, attending meetings without a clear purpose, or doing work that a team member could do. The goal of a great manager is to consistently shift their time from low-leverage to high-leverage tasks. The third point covers the practical tools for achieving high output. Grove provides a blueprint for two of the most critical and highest leverage tools. The first is the one-on-one meeting. He insists this is the employee's meeting, not the manager's. Your role is to listen, ask questions, and be a coach. It's a regularly scheduled time to discuss performance, roadblocks, and career aspirations, ensuring small problems are surfaced before they become big crises. The second tool is the performance review. Grove argues it should never contain surprises. Instead, it should be a summary of feedback delivered throughout the year, designed to clarify expectations and improve future performance. It is one of the most direct ways a manager can impact an employee's output. In summary, high-output management provides a timeless operating manual for managers. Its key insight is that management is a craft that can be learned and optimized. By viewing your role as a production system, focusing on high-leverage activities, and mastering essential tools like one-on-ones, you can dramatically increase your team's performance and your own value to the organization. For related reading, you might consider first, The Effective Executive by Peter Drucker for a foundation in personal productivity. Second, The Hard Thing About Hard Things by Ben Horowitz, who is a student of Grove's work. And third, Radical Candor by Kim Scott, which provides a modern framework for implementing the type of feedback Grove championed.